Let's solve this problem. ABCD is a trapezoid. The sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, BC is parallel to AD. Let's draw the altitude from the angle C to the side AD and from the angle A to the side BC. Triangle CDE is a right triangle. The hypotenuse is equal to twice the length of the leg across from the 30-degree angle. Therefore, CE is equal to 16. AFCE is a rectangle. Therefore, AF is equal to CE and equals to 16. Triangle ABF is a right isosceles triangle. Angles ABF and BAF are congruent and equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, BF is equal to AF and equals to 16. We can find AB using the Pythagorean theorem. AB is equal to 16 square roots of 2. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.